Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistal. This is the video in which we will learn how to draw realistic nose step by step. Okay, so let's start. The very first step is to draw a basic L shape, and then you have to adjust it according to the reference image or any kind of nose you have in your mind. Try to keep your outline light so it could be erased off easily. Here I am using mechanical pencil. It's pointed and I can control the pressure on the pencil. Now after drawing the actual outline of the nose, we have to erase the base outline that we made earlier. Make sure your outline is light. I am using kneadable eraser to make it soft. Our next step is to start shading using HB pencil. Cover all the areas of the nose using HB pencil, and that will be our base shading. We need to preserve our highlighted areas. Now next step is to blend the first layer. I am using a brush. You can even use a cotton bud or blending stump. Make sure the brush is clean and it does not contain any remains of the previous drawing. Now further we will use 4B pencil and shade the mid-tone areas. Always hold your pencil far away from the lid so it helps you to control the pressure of the pencil. We don't have to use 4B pencil on and near the highlighted areas. After this, use a blending stump or cotton bud to blend the second layer. Also using 6B for mid-tone areas. And go slowly to achieve better results. Now use 10B or even 8B will work fine for the nostril. Now we have to draw the outline of the shadow. We can do this using HB pencil or a mechanical pencil. I have used HB pencil as the base layer and 10B pencil to get the darkest shade. Now we will blend it using a blending stump. Using a kneadable eraser to create the highlight, you can also use normal eraser or Tombow eraser. Lastly, we will add outline to the sketch and do little bit of finishing work by comparing to our reference image. So that's all in this video. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.